Kwasi Aboagye say penny ni wo fie won. I don't think say penny wo fie.
Eja Ghana entertainment industry. Hey. Eja. Dodo na munim MC Yaa Yeboah no eni dem mon tag ne mame. Mame obapa ma ho fe na bibia bokọ de. Mame eni dem Mr. Kwasi Aboagye echo vacation e Peace FM entertainment show ni so no. I think say una will replace no. Na will replace no. Through you, yehu guy bi. Na fast forward. Guy na ba bonten abeye video didi sabi Kwasi Aboagye atem. Obapa enunti anamatranse a mesi omuntage o mame. Minim kwanya guy no efa asunya access to Peace FM entertainment show. Nemom no enamo so na mehu guy no wo Peace FM entertainment show. Ade a me de kai guy no eye time a medical ode ne saka oba bi to e wo stage a ekoye asema motena sa asem ne so e wo show ne so a sabi this guy take that opportunity e de lambaste medical e drag Shatta into that conversation.
I am a yabe because uyi you can't rap as a chromo ha uyi the next person that was in line, I would not stage and yet about just rapping, entertaining. Someone who can go on stage and entertain when it comes to dancing. When it comes to stagecraft, this guy was the next in line. After, see, and I've said this on my YouTube, so I'll say it again. After his friendship, deeper than blood, his relations with Shatta, all of a sudden, he's buying assistant. And the way I said, was forgetting the craft and where he was heading. Because it came to a point that he was the one that hits with a hip-hop song. And second of commercial. So this guy was an entertainer, I felt, say, and Kaya saying another rapper be on also what that level will be to me. But for some reason, the attitude, he doesn't care about what he does. Now let's come to the topic. Who's in a stage? What free will be about? We can all see we can all see that. Anna crowd ne start react here. Anna a girl and say, oh boy, Anna, you. Anna girl and so oh boy. Unuma some kind. And ka camera ni ha. And Kabeka so boy. That means who person who my girl and say, who you privileged for I say, oh no, say, who you be like, are you serious? What so be to our stage sexual harassment. Now I say we say any partner or boyfriend or say our boyfriend or think a camera ni ha and Kabeka so boyfriend. That means you are even insulting Obama over only integrity. And ka camera ni ha and could be denying the boyfriend. Which is very bad. What he should have done, they say, he should not admit fault on camera. But for girl backstage, Nakache say, oh, you're sorry for what you did. What close you up? I did what about online? No, I'll be explaining in a respectful manner. But for you to come and, like my sister said, gaslight us. I asked the be anyone I say, yeah, they are some tools. So this is appalling. This is very sad. He has lost it. And you were saying something about he losing his girlfriend because of what he did. Girlfriend were cheating him. And somehow come from Mahu. The way he describes women. I don't think that he was describing fella that way, but only fella die and you man will drop you know. We know say you are referring and you know and you way when I said the girl is no. And yes, I know drop you know. When I listen to medical any the way I undermine it, disrespect it, and like say you use our word, no, I don't know if I can say it on air, on the channel. He wait and yet talent or craft that's how he really feels about women. Because Ube now kase and kakamre ni ha and kabe admit his boyfriend. That means all patches say Oba no crown she's grateful to be in your presence. This is sad.
Mami, uko shia no hin na ode ne ba sa show ni so. Ana se eye den ana oba show ni so. And we your first question. Any dim and I'm also no ba show ni so ana. Ana oba show ni so no. Ni contribution no and so Peace FM entertainment body nani ana. Ana sabi Mr. Kwasi Aboagye a free vacation buy now obesa take control e wo show ni so no. Oka sasa guy no e bia na adwuma omrenti on pen wo show ni so ana. Because maintain your mebiase. To the extent that this guy say Jebi De Mogul say Jebi no. Obetimi enya the audacity to sit on his platform. And you so where's or you see man sabi Kwasi Aboagye no. Eya.
Kwasi Aboagye. MC penny ni ufie won. I don't think say penny will fear. Because a penny will fear. Anka wo meka se obi a ne nua bema ewu no. Or your problem. I don't think say penny will fear. The people surrounding you, no, I don't think say adwen e wo mutirim because adwen wo mutirima they will tell you say stomach directional presentation na we no. Everything you have been saying ever since that Lumba issue by no, it is clear. Say a stomach direction may be a fu no e ho na wa adwen wo fu ana direct wa adwen. No credit de won pesa wo beka. Why you won say instead say wo be present near the no credit to no. You want to push your own agenda and it is clear people can see it. You are losing or you have lost your credibility. You have lost your credibility. The rest of the people on the platform, they bring to me come my dream because I get it. They want to get to the top. And Ghana hano, se wan leki boot, se wan miawa no, wan fa wan sen gu achi, you will not go up. I get it. I don't blame omo tiwa, omo ntimi mbo my dream no. But I blame wo papa penimu, awa dream that with you have decided say on fa dream ni nya adwuma na mom wo de den wo de wafu na be adwuma. This is so disgusting. So ye dan wo ye law. Oh ye law. Ana edru say ye kind of cry na wo dodge. You are always, but I get it though. Lawyers don't really tell the truth. They try, so I get it. But come on, man. Aren't you a man of integrity? It is so obvious. You are a presenter. Your job, you are a gatekeeper. You are a watchdog. You are supposed to feed us with the truth. But you come and sit on radio. Our radio, no, on kind of correct. You don't tell the truth. The question is, how much did you take? Because everybody can clearly see, say, Kwasi Aboagye, you don't tell the truth. Everything that comes out of your mouth, it's a lie. Asemba, now I saw what to right. Now they are got to left because everybody wants to know why. Why are you doing this? Now obi nua be mewu. Now she wants to know her. Wona oba be chere ne say onye ne enye yi ne nko. Ana wo se den enye brempo man ti ne change date no. Na me pa cho eyo papa anasa wo maame ne kantam no. Sankian kantam na anka date change me bebam. It's a winning munyansa and Kaobe say date no ma change no. I am phoning him say we are giving you enough space for you to do what you have to do. Adiano entam and adia kodru baby I change date. And you know why are you denying the fact say date changing first no most then you be on the 6th you be on the 6th after the assassin so mujina was say enyo no ntini assassin no. Come on, man, what are you guys doing, man? It is so obvious. Oma sabi nyanse ni omutiri mu no, and now they will believe most of the presenters on radio and TV. But yeah, agenda itiri we are far. Come on, won't try something better because sa dream way na would it say you need to a KG1 for dream. Yeah, you deep no. You can't convince us with this nonsense. Come on. Kwasi Aboagye, what ma dey na time? What man I had time? I wasn't gonna say anything, but I had time. Just speak the truth. Baby, I no credit than no. Your job is not to choose sides. So person who choose sides, yeah, no one may boy, one man I clear. Me will do Bruni side. Who we are now the reason why I will do Bruni side, and so I can't. No, I may ask you, you're bear. But you are not a man. Say, oh, I bet now, no, I almost said you are in the middle, but then in your speech, no, obi betina platform, no, so nasa or person or kind of crano, and now person or expose here, then you want to cut them off. You want to control their. Come on, guys. You don't see what's going on? This is so sad. Ghana, a better than a crowy akoso. We have a long way to go. Peace.
On say eto da bia. Se mo bie mo pona mancrophobia because of sebi obi ho ahia. Mpanifo se wo re ofonsa. Eya. Dientia akwa no etimi aba abonten abedidi. Sebi Mr. Kwasi Aboagye atem no. Menti ase. Jebi De Mogul se wan sa ko ne e man na TikTok a wan hu de me kire no. No lie. And ade asaya me wan say day na guy ni nya access ba Peace FM na sebi obedi medical term looking down on medical brand ne Shatta ni sa no mani nyina no. Sa time no na guy no I started ka Shatta one sem good for more than months. And until all of a sudden, didn't see a guy to me a flip and I say, what would they make sure? Yow. And our promises, Ben, and with the man, say, all show is to make the Diwali matem. Maybe a mumba manaka show it. Oh, say, a quite not guy, now first what did dear Kwasi Aboagye atem no. I was here to me who at the Cruntia. Jebi De Mogul say, one, why? Omo promise you bibi anasa sabi Mr. Kwasi Aboagye ba no so wadwemo omre ompe o show ni so anopa mo odi agufo be didi natem because sabi lumba asem ya wagye agina mtwintwan yi no obi e ka bi lumba asemi asem no ni nyina so ye mienu wanko bonkum a obekọ nifa obi a oka bibia nso e woni nyina so eno nti sabi a man like Kwasi Aboagye wa bob brawo Ghana entertainment industry mu ako kan bi kura na se anya oda papa obi a watima build the platform I host show over the years ama wakotena so kura timi abeji udin anya numbers sabi so afum mpo a wo ye badwen ma untimi nkotena 2x4 platform bi so any din attempt to this extent no MC Yaa Yeboah Obapa sabi enamoso na ehu sa akwa we e o Peace FM hono okofa ani free hen mami me mpesa meka sabi o de ne ba say o ma liquid down on senior boys in the industry there be na mom na akwa no ko sia no he ade ne ba wa na obi na de ne obi minti no ma biase yao se wo mo obi about platform so just to tarnish the brand and I say tarnish the hard work of Shatta. Yao. I don't think penny say. So koto say abua bi si unua bi so a. Enka nche ne say abue. Sorry ni so. Kacha ne say abue. Sorry yeso. If you say bia ofri ni so a. Nia ode ye no ode beba so. This is a perfect example. Me pese me kasa bebre na sabi manu akotia obi. Jebi De Mogul se wan papa ma wani na ho onya akwala promises no mo de ma ona ebi o mantima fulfill no bra bonten ma yehu se bibi na course so enu nti na wa ba bon because untimi nya lumba asem ne so eni di Kwasi Aboagye atem da bi enya right bibi wo ho there is something under or say o ma nyina ehu ebi o mo promise so se be di Shatta atem na o memo aka show ni so ba o be di Shatta atem wie ye no o ma pam afri show ni so enu nti na aboafu a sabi o take ankrofo bi on Peace FM no very simple enu ye bete wase But I want to be in Lumba same way so any di sabi Mr. Kwasi Aboagye attempt to this extent. No. There be ada ye no an say na amene. Tena TikTok no so na ne man no nya nia wo ye no. Eye normal oho na wo belonge. Ade na wa ye no. Wan kasa yi. Bra bonten ne bebu nkotodwe ne pa Kwasi Aboagye achew because wan kasa yi. Umo brebia wo entertainment industry ni ma e ma the bragging writer ubetimi agina so adidi Kwasi Aboagye atem. No. There na why. There na why your Ghana entertainment industry ma utimi call this extent. Unya she and you ma why your Ghana entertainment industry ma we say man Antonio Mfreo no ewe. There pan why ya be mad wo gina so de adidi Kwasi Aboagye atem. Eya o. Eya. Mr. Kwasi Aboagye senior kafra akwada no ankasa ye na fane bone che no obey ne den mpanimfo se akwada bi ju nsogu na so a se bi untwa obepepa but any die mu next time no uja wa chia ma obi a fanyoma bi wa hu put nyoma bi in place a emma omu mie pono ne ma obi just because of obi ho hinti. Eya. Busumi wei mu. Sika ode ko Ghana no. O pese wo say nya o sika nyina abaka. Application a e wo so use this send sika no e lemfi. Me pese me kasa bebre. Omu ye promotion bi. Omu say 100% cashback. Sika ode be ko Ghana nyina ode opa for 5,000 pounds and say dollars and Canadian dollars and say euros e ko Ghana every week bi omu ye draw. So mo pick your account na and as mo pick it your account na say number now they register lemfi na 50 lucky winners no be ka ho a sika wo de ko ye nyina no o message wa de nyina sa ma back eyo da sika kana me show ni abai ana dodo na mabusuafo wo America na mo pese sebi mo de enyoma free America eko Ghana ebi ho a oye osifie obeya wedding or to party one home use or tonyoma like mekasa adaje beboye ni a opese odi free America eko Ghana bia no edin ye ba kope Box Oak Logistics catchroom say nam the BonahShow so and our team munka and also besa 10% discount